Hello, welcome. I did a thing. Right? Now, you say that men never grow up. Their toys just get more expensive. Well, today's story is a little bit like that. Now, first I've got to take you back a few days, right? Now, I have a bit of an allotment. I have some vegetable sort of plots and I've got some stuff growing in there. We've got some chickens and things. Anyway, it's all very lovely. It's very idyllic, but unfortunately it does sometimes attract pests, right? So the other day I saw a rat. That's just expected, but I don't like using pesticides. I don't like using poisons and all that kind of thing. So I thought, okay, right, what can I do about that? And I put it to the back of my mind. But then the day after this happened, I was in a shop, right? And I was getting some local honey and I saw this. So it was in this country store. And this, right? This is a king rat catapult. So the day before I saw a rat, that day I saw the king rat catapult, and well, you can make your own decisions on that.
Mr. Rat, I have a writ here says you're to stop eating Chenley's cornmeal forthwith. Now it's a rat writ for a rat, and this is lawful service of the same. See? Doesn't pay any attention to me.
My wife laughs and jokes and says that is marketed to men 100%, and I don't entirely disagree. But anyway, I saw it and I thought, you know what, the inner child in me, gotta have. Do any of you guys have one of these or something similar? Am I the only big child in the room? Do let me know in the comments. What toys have you got? So don't worry if you're one of those people that thinks that, all living things deserve to live, right? I'm not a cruel person. I try not to be a cruel person. I try to be sensitive. So even though I've brought this, right, the odds of me hitting anything smaller than a cow is pretty minimal, okay? But what I can do with it is have a great deal of fun. So here I am. I'm in some of my, well, this is my little garden space, right? It's lovely. It's a really nice bit of garden. And then I've got the range over there for the knife throwing and stuff. I've got the garden, like the vegetable garden and stuff's all over there. The chickens are down over in that corner. So it's all very, very lovely, right? So this is basically an area where I can practice and shoot this bad boy. So let's have a go. As with all things that are DIY, I've manufactured this little thing here. So essentially what we've got is just a couple of old sort of metalish bottles that I can try and ping, right? Let's see how we do. Now, they wanted, I think it was 12 quid for a pack of little metal ball bearings. These things, can you see them? So ball bearings, they had packs of them, but I thought, very expensive, no need. I have next to me a gravel pathway with lots of small pieces of gravel. So if it's good enough for David versus Goliath, it's good enough for me versus the rat. Oh, first shot, first time ever. Look at that, awesome. Now that first one was genuinely a lucky shot because I hit with that one, and since then I've missed quite a few, so it's not as easy as it looks. Anyway, let's keep practicing. Two out of two that time, getting better. So there's no affiliate marketing on this, right? There's no link in the bio or anything like that. This is just a bit of fun. I brought it, as I said, just on a whim. I doubt very much if I'm ever going to shoot anything with it because firstly, my aim isn't that good. Secondly, I don't have the patience really to sit out for hours at dawn and dusk waiting for something to scurry by. Okay, I'm a bit too flighty for that. I need to be doing things, right? However, this is great fun to play with. It was, I think, 20 quid. It's got this sort of stabilizing handle thing here. It's pretty rugged, and it leads us to believe that it's built as a tool, not a toy. judging by the marketing on the package, in which case, yeah, absolutely great. My intentions of this is just to have a bit of fun with it, so it's another thing to add to the things that I play with, and if it helps with a bit of hand-eye coordination, then so be it. So if you enjoyed these videos, guys, please like and subscribe. I do appreciate it. It does help me sort of keep motivated and do some more. I enjoy doing them, so it'd be great to have you along.